Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to claim money on PayPal. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to paypal.com, or of course download the application from the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have, and of course then go and log into your profile. But of course, if you don't have one, you can always go and register to PayPal. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So, as you can see, here we have the home screen. We have the send, the wallet, activity, and help option. We have the send and request, and other different kind of options that we have here in PayPal. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and claim money on PayPal. So basically, first of all, as I said, you need to log into your account and then navigate to the activity section. So as you can see, we have the home, send, wallet, activity, and help. What you need to click on is the fourth option, which is activity. Here, you need to go and locate the payment you want to claim. So as you can see, at the moment, I don't have any transactions. But guys, of course, if you have a transaction, you can then go and locate it to claim it. Then click on the payment to open the transaction details and click the claim button. Choose the payment method you receive to receive funds. And after you, of course, clicked claim and you chose the, of course, payment method to receive the funds, confirm and complete the claim process. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.